This is a 2-port AK-DP KVM switch. On the front, it comes with 2 extra USB 3 ports and 2 USB ports for keyboard and mouse only, also audio and microphone output. On the back, these 2 cables are connecting to computer 1, and these 2 cables are connecting to computer 2. This cable is connecting to the monitor, DC power cord, and wire remote control. After we set up all the cables, we should turn on the KVM switch first. Then start our 2 computers. There are 4 switching ways we can use to switch between our computers. We can use keyboard hotkeys, mouse wheel, menu button, and wire remote control. First, let's try keyboard hotkeys. Double-click mouse wheel to switch. Menu button switching. Wire remote control switching. Let's check the display setting. As you can see, the resolution is 8K at 30 Hz. Now let's check the computer 2. The resolution for computer 2 is also 8K at 30 Hz. Because this KVM switch only supports 8K 30 Hz when switched between 2 computers, and some customers have a 8K 60 Hz monitors and needs to use 60 Hz temporarily. In this case, grab another DP cable and connect to the computer that needs 60 Hz to the monitor. The refresh rate changes to 60 Hz automatically. However, you will not be able to switch between computers, which means you can only use the current computer with this monitor at 8K 60 Hz. When you finish, remove the second DP cable from the computer. The refresh rate will change back to 30 Hz automatically, and now you will be able to switch between 2 computers again. We hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.